Welcome to part 2 of the lesson. So we'll be covering on factorization. So what is, so let list the factors basically. A multiplied by B plus C is AB plus AC. So A and B plus C are factors in the to the expression of AB plus AC. Okay. Now factorization is a process to express an algebraic expression to the product of the factors of its factors. Example, list all common factors for each of the following terms. 4xy and 30pxy. 4xy and 30px. So now, first of all, we write down the numbers. 4 4xy and 30px. Okay, 4xy, the factors are basically there's 4 multiplied by 4 and then x, y, then is 4x and 4y. Okay, these are the factors. Okay, and then 30px will be 2, 3, 5, 15. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 15 p x and 2px. Okay, some more be 15px. Okay, oh, let me put here as 2p, 2x and 3p, 3x. Okay, 3p, 3x. So another one will be 5px and 2, 15, 5px and 3px. Okay, 5px, and so these are all the factors, meaning that, okay, all these other factors. Okay, so let's just highlight them. Now, which are the common factors? Okay, there's also, with this one also they have here also another factor here would be 2. Okay, 2 as well, and comma 2x and 2y. Okay, here I put here 2y. Okay, so what are the common factors? So in this case, the common factors would be, this case would be x, and then here also x, and then you have 2x, okay, which is here 2x as well. Okay, some more, what else? So we have okay, which is 2, here also 2. Okay, so the rest, there's nothing, right? Okay, so basically the common factors will be common factors are 2x and 2x. These are the common factors. All these are factors for each of them, each variable, but these are the common factors. Okay. Okay, common factors are okay. Next, B 10hk square 5hkm square. Okay, 10hk square and comma 5hkm square. Okay, 5hkm square. Let's start with 10hk. So basically, their factors are 2, 5, h, k, and k square. Okay, and then 10, and then 2h, 5h, and 10h. So some more will be 2k, sorry, so here will be 2k, and then 5k and 10k, right? Other one will be 2hk, 5hk, okay? Another one is 2h, 2hk square, 2hk square, and then 5hk square. Okay, 2hk square, 5hk square. So these are all the factors. Okay, now let's go to the next one, which is 10, 5hkm square. So 5hkm square. So these are the factors will be 5 h k m and m square. So is next 5h, 5k, 5m, and 5m square. Next will be 5h, sorry, another one is 5k. Okay, 5hk and 5hkm. Okay, so these are all the factors: 5hkm, m square, 5k, 5h, 5m. Okay, now let's check the common factors. Okay, common factors. The first one is 5, which is here also 5. Okay, let's see next one. Now next one is h. Okay, this is also h. Okay, next one. Is he got a k or not? Yes. So here is also a lot of k. Okay, there's no k square. Okay, basically 2h don't have 5h. Yes. Okay, so also 5h. So 5h. Okay, there's no 10h. Okay, there's 5k. Yes, there's a 5k here. So the 5k. Oh, we repeated the same 5k, huh? Same thing, huh? Okay. Okay, anything else? 10k, 2hk. Okay, 5hk. Oh yeah, there's one more. Ah, there's one here. 5hk. Okay, there's a 5hk. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so basically the factors are okay. The factors, common factors are 5, hk, hk, 5h, 5k, 5k, and then 5hk. Okay, these are the common factors. Okay, these are the common factors. Now, next one, given 5x multiplied by 2x plus 7 equals to 10x squared plus 35x, state the factorization of 10x squared plus 35x. Hence, list the factors of 10x squared plus 35x. Okay, so basically we have the equation like this: 5x multiplied by 2x plus 7, okay, which is equals to 10x squared plus 35x, okay, 35x. So the factors will be 5, so 5x multiplied by 10x, sorry, 5x multiplied by 2x plus 7. Okay, these are the factors. Okay, these are two factors, 5x and 2x plus 7 factorization. Huh? So these are the factorization. So the list of factors will be So basically there's 5 and then 5x and 5 2x plus 7 and 5 sorry, erase this, x bracket 2x plus 7. Okay, x bracket 2x plus 7. Factorize the algebraic expression. We can factorize the algebraic expression by the following: common factors method, common factor method, and cross multiplication method. Okay, two ways of doing it. One example: factorize each of the following using the common factor method. 10pq plus 15p square minus 35p. 10pq plus 15p square minus 35p. Okay, 10pq plus 15p square minus 35p. Okay, we can take it this way. So first of all, this is actually equals to 5 2pq plus 3p square plus 7p. Okay, and this can be also adjusted as 5p 2q plus 3p plus 7. Okay, so the common factors are so here will be 5p lah. Okay, 5p is the common factor. Okay, common factor. 6xy minus 3x, 6xy minus 3x plus 14x. Okay, this is 14. 14y minus 7. Okay, 14y minus 7. Okay, first of all, we can split this thing into two parts. So here we take 3 multiplied by 2xy minus x plus, here you can take out 7 multiplied by 2y minus 1. Okay, 2y minus 1. And you can further do this as 3x 2y minus 1 plus 7 multiplied by 2y minus 1. So if you notice these two are the same, so basically you can just take it as 3x plus 7, okay, multiplied by 2y minus 1. Okay, can be factorized in that way, huh? Okay. Okay, another example, factorize using the cross multiplication method. X squared minus 11x plus 18. X squared minus 11x plus 18. Okay, now how to solve this? So first you do this way, x and x. Okay, now we must find two numbers such that the addition of the two numbers must be negative 11 and the multiplication of number must be 18. Okay, so 18 can be either 3, 6, 2, 9 or 118. These are the only possibilities of the calculation. So as you notice, if we add these two numbers together, we can get we will get 9. If we add these two numbers, we get 18. The 19. This only possibility is these two numbers here. Okay, 2 and 9. So you put here 2, 9. So put negative and negative. So you will get the expansion. This is a factorization. No? Okay, 92 times 99 is 18. For example, 5y squared plus 3y minus 14. 5y squared plus 3y minus 14. Okay, let's see. In this case, we have to split this thing like this. 5y and y. 5y and y. Okay, so now what are the possibilities? 1, 14, 2 and 7. That's the only possibility. Okay, 2 and 7. So now we must get a number such that the multiplication must be negative 17, negative 14. Okay, so and the addition must be 3. So the best way is to put here 7. 7 times 5y, which gives you 10y. And sorry, not 7. Here you must put 2y, 2 here and 7. So here you put plus and here you put minus, such that 2 times 5y 10y minus 7y is 3y. Okay. Example, factorize the following: 9x squared minus 25. 9x squared minus 25. As you notice, okay, there's nothing in between, right? So basically you should put it here as 3x and 3x, and here should be 5 and 5. Okay, so you must get, here should be, one must be minus, one must be plus. So you multiply it 2, you get 9x. Here is 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. So 15x minus 15x, you get 0. So 9x squared plus minus 25. Another one, p squared plus 14pq plus 49q squared. So here p squared plus 14pq plus 49q squared. Okay, p squared plus 14pq and all that. So basically here you put here as p and p. Okay, the only way we can get 14, okay, there's only 7 and 7 here. The only way you can get 14 is to have 7 plus 7. Okay, so here you should get plus 7 and plus 7. Okay, so 14p7, and then here okay, hang on, just move this one, sorry. This is not how it's supposed to be. Okay, so basically here it should be p and p. Okay, so there's a q square, so here also got q and q. So here is 7q, 7q. Okay, 7q and 7q. So here you should put a plus p plus 7q, p plus 7q. So 7q multiplied by 7q, you get 49q squared. And then 7pq plus 7pq, you get 14pq. And p squared multiplied by p times p gives you p squared. Okay. Okay, how to solve the following problem. In an examination hall, the position of each candidate is arranged such that each row consists of n plus 4 candidates. If there are n squared plus 19n plus 60, how many rows are there in the hall? Okay, now n plus 4 is one of the factors of n squared plus 19n plus 60. Okay, so in this case, let's take that color. The n squared plus 19n plus 60. Okay, so we know that one of it is n plus 4. So how do you factorize this? So you just take it as n here, n here. So now we know one of it is plus 4. Okay, what would you think will be the next part here? So the only way 60 can only be multiplied by is equals to 15 times 4. So here has to be 15. So in this case, you must plus 15. So there are n plus 15 rows. N plus 15 rows. So algebraic expression and laws of basic arithmetic operation. Now add and subtract algebraic expression. Algebraic fractions is a fraction where the numerator or denominator or both consists of fraction. Example, for instance, x over 5, 2 over y, a over a plus b, and p squared minus 1 over q. Okay, now add and subtract algebraic expression. When adding or subtracting algebraic expression, ensure that the denominator of each algebraic fraction are the same. Okay, example, simplify each of the following. Okay, p minus p minus 6 bracket 2p plus 5 minus 4p, minus 4q. Minus 4q multiplied by p minus 3. Okay, so here is equals to, okay, we just expand it, p multiplied by 2p plus p multiplied by 5 minus 6 multiplied by 2p minus 6 multiplied by 5 minus 4q multiplied by p minus 4q multiplied by minus 3. Okay, so you'll get 2pq plus 5p minus 12p minus 30 minus 4pq minus plus 12q. Okay, which gives you, so here minus 7p, okay, minus 2pq plus 12q minus 30, right? So here we can do this way. P, negative P here, 7 plus 2Q and here, so you get 6 which gives you 2 minus 2Q, sorry, 2Q minus plus 2Q oh sorry okay, plus 6 2Q minus 5 plus 6 2Q minus 5. So that's how we simplify, huh? Next, 3n plus 12 over 6 3n plus 12 over 6 plus 5n squared minus 10n over n squared minus 3n plus 2. Okay, 3n plus 2. So here we take out 3n plus 4 over 6 plus this equals here 5n multiplied by n minus 2. Okay, this one divide by n and n. So this one can become okay 1 and 2. So negative here. So minus 1 minus 2. Okay. So these two will become n plus 4 over 2 plus, so these two can cancel off. So you get 5n over n minus 1. Okay. So here will become n plus 4 multiplied by n minus 1 plus 5n multiplied by 2. All these over 2 multiplied by n minus 1, which will give you n squared minus n plus 4n minus 4 plus 10n. All these divided by 2n minus 1. So here negative n plus 4n is 3n plus n 10n is 7n. So n squared plus 7n plus sorry, minus 4 all over 2n minus 1. Okay, this is how. Basically, the top one, it cannot be factorized, huh? Because if you see, the only numbers is 2, 2 and 1, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 plus 4 is 5. There's no way to get a 7 in between, huh? Okay. So x squared minus 4x minus 43. X squared, sorry, x squared minus 4x minus 43 over xy minus 8y. Okay, and in minus here by x minus 3y squared minus 9y squared, and all this divided by xy. Okay, so how? Basically, this one should be equals to x squared minus 4x minus 43 over y x minus 8. Okay, so here we expand first, minus x squared minus x squared minus 6xy plus 9y squared. Okay, 9y squared, and this must minus again 9y. Plus 9y squared minus 9y squared. Query that again, huh? So here you get minus x minus 3, so basically x squared minus 6xy plus 9y squared minus 9y squared, and all this equals to y x minus 8, sorry, equals to xy. Okay, xy, right? Okay, so how we simplify this? It becomes x squared minus 4x minus 43, x squared minus 4x minus 43 over yx minus 8 Okay, x minus 8. So x squared minus 6xy minus x squared minus 6xy over xy. This one gives you x squared minus 4x minus 43 over y x minus 8 minus x minus 6y over xy, and give you x squared minus 4x minus 43 over y x minus 8 x minus 8. So it become minus x minus 6y over y. Okay, x minus 6y over y. This one become x squared minus 4x minus 43 over y x minus 8, okay, minus x minus 6y bracket x minus 8 over y x minus 8. So x squared minus 4x minus 43 minus x minus 6y bracket x minus 8, okay, divided by y x minus 8. Okay, so x squared minus 4x minus 43, okay, minus here will be, so x multiplied by x is x squared minus 8x, x squared minus 8x, okay, minus 6xy minus plus 48y, okay, 48y, and all this y x minus 8, and this one will give you x squared minus 4x minus 43 minus x squared minus or plus 8x minus 6xy or plus 6xy minus 48x. Okay, minus 48x. And here will be y x minus 8. Okay, so x squared goes away, so then 4x remains. So it becomes here 4x plus 6xy minus 48y over y x minus 8. So we can take out 2. Two 2x plus 3xy minus 24y, and all this divided by y x minus 8. Okay, x minus 8. So here is equals to 2x plus 2 3y x minus 8 divided by y x minus 8. Okay, so 2x over y x minus 8 plus 6. Okay, 6. Right, how I get 6? This y goes away. 2 times 3 y goes away. X minus 8 goes away as well. This is the answer. Okay, so we stop here for now. Thank you.